Hi guys, RunwithCraftscissors here with a haul video from PurdeePlanner. So get ready because it's Halloween time, right? Yes. Okay, so we've got our little Halloween freebie postcard that I'm going to punch with my Happy Planner and stick in my weekly spreads. And then we've got some like mini kits here and some sheets, some deco sheets. So here's the little die cut freebie that is a sticker that you can stick on your planner. And then these are the little freebies, the little Mikey as a mummy. And then there's these little freebie sheets that are kind of like your functionals. I like the little planner girl mug, that's so cute. So here's a mini one. This one is usually about $1.50 and then this one's like $3 something, I think. So there's different sizes depending on what planner you have. I would use the best one that fits you. But it's all the characters in costumes. So I just think it's so adorable, just so cute. Okay, and then this one is a mini version in a regular size too, because she knows I like the tiny. So this one has more like fall, pumpkin spice, playing in the leaves. It's almost like a fall bucket list all on its own. Eating a caramel apple. Oh, more. This one has Pretty Kitty in different costumes. Oh, is she Raggedy Ann? That's so cute. That's adorable. Oh, Cruella. Oh my gosh, Little Mermaid. That's hilarious. Oh my gosh, that's so funny. All right, and then here's the mini kit. And then she usually includes, so this is a mini kit if you're more of a white space planner or you have a small planner. So these are like box dividers, and then there's 4 full boxes. This is also a full box, and then some half boxes, and then 5 quarter boxes, and then the date covers. So super cute. And then she always includes like the extra box dividers that are pumpkins, some a la carte. You can buy these a la carte quarter boxes and half boxes, and then like the extra date covers if you want to make your spreads last for more than a week, but you want them to look pretty similar. And then this goes with the, I mean, it can go with any of them, but the way that it's stacked, it's supposed to go with the no white space kit in case you don't want like to use certain stickers that are already in it. So I'm going to crack that open. Oh, real quick, she put some pumpkin washi tape on there. That's so cute. I need to not buy Halloween washi. I need some more fall washi, but I do not need Halloween washi. Those are 2 different things. Okay, so this is the Halloween kit. So it has these, the Monday through Sunday, and then Monday through Sunday, so water tracker, and then like meal planning or something. And then this one has the heart checklist if you want those instead, which is what I need in certain planners. So this is the left mural. So this is all one sticker. And then this would be your sidebar if you don't put anything in your sidebar. If you do, then you would use these stickers there. All right. And then this is the right side mural, all one sticker. They're so cute. I love Rosie. And then right here is the bottom washi to finish out your mural. So it'll all like, see the bottoms of the pumpkins? They'll line up together like that. Okay, so it all lays out beautifully. And then here's the top, and then that's like your theme sticker in the corner. And then this finishes out the moon. That is on this one. Like if I line it up, imagine that's not there. The moon is coming down. Okay, and then the tree comes back out. See how that looks? Okay, you guys get it? All right, and then here's the date cover. So there's the rest of the moon and the house and the tree. So cute. Love the deep purple. Deep purple. And then here's your headers. There's glitter headers here. And then there's crack washi down here and crack washi over here. These 2 are different widths. These are a little bit wider for, I think, the right and left all the way to the sides. And then these are like for in between the boxes. So they're like skinnier strips. So I can show you. Pull it up a little bit. Okay. So that is her kits. So she has mini kits and she has no white space kits. But I think you can use it any way you want. I've also seen people like just use the mural on like their days off, and so they put that there. But I find my planner still completely functional with her kits. So I hope you guys do too. Make sure you check out her shop and use Lesley20 for 20% off because I am a PR girl for her. So there you go. Thanks, Robin. Bye. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Give this video a like, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.